approach runway 27, report with the gear.
227 will catch me for 19 FM.
For 19, if I just give you an update on the winds as you approach, they are light and variable. 27 touchdown currently 120 degrees 4 knots. Sensor waiting for just gone all the way around the dial, but currently reached 0 degrees 3. And the western anemometer 230 degrees at 3 knots.
Roger, all copy, thank you, straight for 19 FM.
Okay, we'll hold on Bravo to 190 uniform.
Full left back traffic guard, left to the next building, and pull up taxiway Bravo.
By the way, full length.
Course 9 to uniform Murphy. Full left back traffic. Vacate left with Echo and hold taxiway Bravo initial.
Full length.
Runway 09 for departure and report ready for taxi.
Stand by, you mind me to
7 touchdown 1507, center wind 1106, and western end 09 touchdown 130 degrees 3 knots. Company traffic due to Barton as runway 09.
Hey, I was 809 as well, thank you, 46 Top Golf.
Runway 09, roger.
18 Victor, fully ready.
Easy 18 Victor Delta, runway 09, surface in 140 degrees 7 knots, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff 09.
Ha cambiado, la verdad.
Ha cambiado,
que,
sí. Tendrá que salir para allá, ¿no? Nada, me alegro verte.
Igualmente, hasta luego.